How do I take measurements with the Fluke 985 Airborne Particle Counter? Simply power on the device, and your home screen will show you that we are sampling particulates in 6 different sizes, everything from 0.3 micron up to 10 micron. To establish a baseline, we provide an adapter which goes over the sample port and a zero-pass filter. You will see the direction of airflow is indicated by the green arrow. Simply insert this into the adapter, start your sample, and if the filter is working properly, we should see next to nothing coming through on the particulate counter. I've set this for a 10-second sample size. You can set your sample to be based on time or the volume of air that is passing through the adapter. Now we're ready to take a sample. Simply take off the zero-pass filter and the adapter, and then we can start our reading. Simply press the sample button again, and you will see that our particle count is accumulating according to what we have in the air. Once you have your readings, you can simply place the 985 particle counter in the base and download your data, as well as charge the device for future use.